What up, y'all? Did you know that in 15 minutes, if you switch to Geico, it'll save you 15 cents or more per insurance? No, I'm playing, I'm playing. Alright, you see, I'm already being an escape artist, kind of like Tucker said, but you feel me? Do y'all know what meditation is? You feel me? It's kind of like a super tool, like how Anthony said. If you use it the right way, it could be like a hot knife cutting through butter, more or less. And I feel like I'm living proof of that. Like, I done been through. I'm pretty sure we all done been through so much, but I'm gonna just say it right now, bro. I'm from the hood, y'all. I don't never experience anything like this, so it's super surreal just seeing all y'all and all this. Words can't even explain it, bro. I'm surprised I'm here right now. But one thing about me, I may seem cool and calm and collected and whatever you got projecting from your heads, but yo, I'm a runner, dog. I be running, bro. I be running for my life. I've been running away from and into and towards things like all my life. Yeah, it's crazy. Uh, my mom kept me like inside for the beginning of damn near like all my life, so I didn't really start going outside until I got to high school, and I can you can already imagine how much of a weirdo that made me. But like, you feel me? It never prepared me. Like none of the stuff she said ever came with an instruction manual. And she would like quiz me on weird shit. Like what's the definition of like loquacious or like, gregarious or something? And it's like I come to school, I'm being all weird and intellectual. Everybody's just like, yo, what? Nerd, nerd. But yeah, like I got to high school and I was cool with people. Like I'm kind of okay. Like I was always playing the game inside the crib, so like talking to people was never that hard. But you feel me? I would always talk to people, and it'd be hard to connect because I never had any real experience or so. And like I always found myself being a floater, and like I said, never really invested or anything. And it's like, uh, when I found myself alone, I like really found myself with music. Music like really became like one of my best friends. And honestly, I feel like I don't talk clear unless I'm rapping or like doing a beat or something or I gotta express some way. But sometimes it don't always work when I do the conventional talk. I'm pretty sure y'all, whoever I talk to, y'all probably seen it in some way, shape, or form. But you feel me? Music hit the ground running, bro. It's my shit. What rapping? I could rap? I ain't even know I could rap. Like for real, like I never thought I was gonna rap before high school or anything like that, but it is just happening now, and I'm just stepping right into it, running. This my thing now, and like my high school like really did a good job at like amplifying that. Like they had me feeling like I was about to go on a world tour, top tier rapper, best rapper in the school. It like, yo, Warren, you gonna perform at the next pep rally, da 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 da. I'm like, all right, I might. I come through, I do the thing, everything like everybody like, oh, just like how y'all was yesterday. It's crazy. It still be busting my head. Like I'm such an introvert, bro, and like I graduated, and it's like all that shit just went out the window. Like real world set in. I didn't even know I could have anxiety. Anxiety is hitting me. I'm having heart palpitations and all that. It's crazy, dog. And like fuck, life got hard. Like I ran away from home. I started like selling medicine because I needed money. I started doing a lot of stuff, just being in the streets and hanging out with a lot of the wrong people. But I still somehow kept like my view through it all. I knew it wasn't right, but I kind of had to, more or less. And I almost lost my life doing this shit. It's crazy. Like I don't really gotta go that deep into it, but you know how it gets. It's not like this out there. It's amazing. Uh, shit. For one thing, I discovered, and I kind of always been into it. I had my first moment of awareness at like 4 and maybe 3. But I kind of been chasing that feeling for forever. And then like I ran into this dude on Xbox. He started putting me on the conspiracy theories and Illuminati and Dad drove me to 2012. I was scared, thinking the world was going to end. And then 2016, I got the crystals, and I'm the chakra man, and I bring it, and everybody know about it. I'm just wearing it so well. This is just my new suit now, just like how it was music. And I found meditation eventually, and then I came into Three Jewels, and I met that dude, and he showed me so much. Like I'm out of debt now. I was like over $10,000 in debt. It was crazy, but radical methods really prove right for real. And I think I want to just drop the beat now. This song is so close to my heart, y'all. Alright. Yeah, I gotta get pumped. Everybody get pumped. Everybody get pumped. Say yeah. Yo, I'm spending all the days of my life on the treadmill, running, and I think I'm about to make another lap. Run around the sun until my skin turn black. I just keep pushing forward, I ain't never looking back. I'm running and climbed up to the high walls. It's what I promised my mom, so I cannot fall. It's getting hard, my problem is how I always gotta reach for the stars. 9 times out of 10, it's never different. I'm taking all the heat that I can in this kitchen and putting all the work, but it's feeling like I'm looking for a needle in a haystack. I saw a problem, make progress, it's a playback. Everybody wanna move funny and I hate that. Taking all my energy, I promise I'ma state that. These niggas live when I talk, can't take facts. And try to rain on my parade like I'ma take that. See you when you stand, clip you off, no take backs. I'm moving different now, I'm changing and I know. It's getting kinda hard, but my pedal to the floor. If they just illusion and I'm running from my hopes, I be running like a cop, aim down in the scope. Run till you get there to where you gotta go. Running you can't stop because you never know. Run cause you pissed off. Run cause you want a piece of the pie, don't get sold. Run cause you feel like you've been cheated and switched on. Run cause your feelings is trying to tell you to get lost. Run is to get low. Run is to find hope. Run cause your time is only ticking, don't stop, bro. Run from the console. Run cause you blocked off. Niggas hate to see you be yourself, don't stop, dog. Run is to get it done. Run while it's here to end this far from there. Meditating to put my feet on the ground, no fear. And so I'ma keep running, I said I'ma keep running. You could do you, so let my enemies keep coming. Yo, let them keep coming, I'ma keep running. Fuck! Alright, I got one more verse, I don't be crying. I'm strong. I'm the strong one. Yeah. Living in a time where everything stayed different. Crazy is normal now, and these niggas okay with it. I've been peeped the wicked games. I wouldn't just play different, like I grabbed the controller. Now the outcome stays switching. It look like a clone race. You niggas try to be the same. I'm moving my own pace. Whether I walk or run, it's looking iffy for them. If I'm coming for heads and niggas don't got their own face, I tried to tell them I'm all glass and can't break. You can never tell me who I am, cause I'm morphing to a god. My reflection hold the heavy like 10 weights. Growing up into a man, I done seen a lot of people want to test me like a kid. I'm done with it. Doing as I'm done unto myself is one mission. Apply. Shit. I'm trying to bring these dreams to the ground and keep it running, dog. I'm done.